All India Congress Committee की President Mallikarjun Kharge na approve tauba AICC की General Secretary Organization KC Bedugopal Rao na state khudingmakta OVC Department की Chairperson bu Pradesh Election Committee de Special Invitees oina yahonnaba order tholakrei masigidamakta Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee के OBC Department की Chairperson Sakir Ahmad nungai phongdorakli mahakna makhatana hai Congress Party के ideology inclusive growth haibadi laidaba amadi sothaduna lehoraba singbu manaba thakta pukhatpa amadi punna chatminanabagi wakhalon adu All India Congress Committee na thoglakliba order asina mayek senga takli loinana Manipur da khundaminariba laidaba amadi sotha hauraba singidamak angamba thakta thawai hakchang yauna chawkhatnaba hotnagani haina Sakir Ahmad na phongdorakli
Congress की फजखरबा ideology inclusive growth हाइबदी economic political justice equality and fraternity the base tawlakanda Manipur da OBC haibadi other backward class socially and economically weak we hawraba singda manaba mi yeng lakanda India da Manipur da laiba me pum khidung chak anana sawkhat minagadabani haibagi pandam da haiba ticket committee haibadi Pradesh Election Committee da Chairperson Aibusu Yawnaba haibirakhibasina takjare. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the Honorable President Mallikarjun Kharge ji and Rahul Gandhi ji, Sonia Gandhi ji and Priyanka Gandhi ji for including me as a special invitee of Pradesh Election Committee. Khwaidagi hena nungaijaba amana handakta CLP leader oina appoint tawbirakhaba Kaisam Meghachandra ji Wangkhem gi MLA bu CLP oina appoint tawjarakpasi Manipur gi praja miyam da kimatik chawthopsaningai ni mahakli sin makhada Manipur da suksoi soidana anuba Congress ki lenga ama lakani haiba thaji aduga hana CM oibiramlaba Okram Ibo Bisingbu Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee की President ओइना appoint tawbirapa siso haningai letana thagacha